Hi, I hope you're doing well. Okay, I have seen your job description and I was quite interested in your job, so I thought to make a video in order to show you my skills and expertise related to the Google Places API. So I have been working on this in the past, and let me show you this Google Sheet. And in this one, I have used the Google Places as well as Google Maps API. So let me show you how this is working. So right now, these fields are blank, so I will be clicking on this menu which is added using the Google Apps script, and I will click on add address, and it will open this pop-up, and it does have this Google Maps along with the autocomplete option as well, autocomplete search option. So let me search for example, let me select this account, sorry, this address, and it will pick up all the relevant information, which includes street address, zip code, road, city, state, country. And for some reason, I'm not sure what's the reason why it's not picking up the city, but the coding is done in this way that the city is also fetched. So I will click on add address to the sheet, and as you can see, it have populated the data with that particular address. And if I just go again here, and if I just sorry, um, let me just select this one for example. Now it's picking the city as well, so let me add this address, and as you can see, the data has been populated properly. So even though obviously this is not exactly what you are looking for, but hopefully this will give you an idea about my expertise on working on the Google Sheets, Google Apps script, Google Places API, as well as Google Maps. So if you're interested, I would be happy to assist you in this project. Thank you. Bye bye.